Hello, garden enthusiasts. Let's make our gardens beautiful. We can add stepping stones. These are decorative stones. They provide a path. This is a fun project. You can do it yourself. Let's get started. This project is easy. You can use leaves from your yard. Large leaves work best. Rhubarb leaves are great. You can also use hosta leaves. These leaves make beautiful stepping stones. You can make your garden unique. These stepping stones are personal. They are made with your own hands. We can start this project. For this project, you will need a few things. These are easy to find. You might even have some at home. First, you need a bag of concrete mix. You can find this at a hardware store. Next, you need a bucket. This is for mixing the concrete. A plastic bucket works best. You will also need water. Water helps the concrete mix. Now let's talk about safety. You will need gloves. Rubber gloves will protect your hands. You will also need a dust mask. This will protect your lungs. Safety is important. Now let's prepare our leaf mold. First, find a flat surface. You can use a garbage can lid. Spread a layer of sand on the surface. The sand will be the base for your mold. Now take your large leaf. Place it on top of the sand. Make sure the veins are facing up. You will see the beautiful pattern on your stone. Gently press the leaf into the sand. You have created a mold. This will give your stepping stone its shape. Now, let's mix the concrete. This is an important step. It's time to mix. Pour some concrete mix into your bucket. Add water slowly. Mix it with a shovel. Keep mixing until it's smooth. The concrete should be thick. It should not be runny. Now, pour the concrete onto your leaf mold. Spread it evenly. Make sure it reaches the edges. Let the concrete dry. This might take a day or two. Once it's dry, you can remove the leaf. You did it. You made a beautiful stepping stone. Great job. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more great projects.